Exercise 8b, question number 2. 20% of a number is 17. Find the number. Now in this question, we will find a required number whose 20% is 17. So let's start from the given data in the question, and that is 20% of number we have given 17. Let's find 1% of the number. Now this will become 17 divided by 20. Again, we will find the 100% of the required number, which will be 17 divided by 20 multiplied by 100. Now 100 is the multiple of 20, which means 20 times 5, 100. Now if we multiply 17 by 5, the product will be 85, which is the required number. It means that 85 is the number whose 20% is 17. Second part from this question, 175% of a number is 49. Find the number. Now we will apply the same procedure just we have done in the first part. First of all, we have given that 175% of a number, and that is 49. Let's find 1% of the number, which will be 49 divided by 175. Now in the third step, we will find 100% of the required number, which will be 49 divided by 175 multiplied by this 100. Now we know that 49 and 175 both are the multiples of 7, which means 7 times 7 49 and 7 times 25 175. Or if you divide 175 by 7, you will have the quotient 25. Now we know that 100 is the multiple of 25, which means 25 times 4 100. Let's take the product of 7 and 4, and that is 28, which is the required number. Third part from this question, the result of a number when increased by 15% is 161. Find the number. Now once again we have given increased, which means we will add this 15% to 100, and which means this 15% will become 115. Just we have done in question number 1 that if we have given increased, we will add this percentage by 100, and if we have given decreased, we will subtract this percentage from 100. So let's start the solution of this question. Since we have given increased, so it means that 15 will become 115%. Now 115% of number we have given 161. Let's find 1% of the required number, which will be 161 divided by 115. Now in the third step, we will find 100% of the number, which will be 161 divided by 115 multiplied by 100. Again, we know that 100 and 115 both are the multiples of 5. It means that 20 times 5 100 and 23 times 5 115. Again, 161 is the multiple of 23, which means if you divide this 161 by 23, you will have the quotient 7. Finally, let's take the product of 7 and 20, which is 140. And this 140 is the required number whose 115% is 161. Last part from this question, part 4, the result of a number when decreased. This time we have given decreased by 20% is 92. Let's find the required number. Since we have decreased, so we will subtract this 20% from 100. So the required percentage will be 80%, and 80% of the required number we have given 192. We will find the required number whose 80% is 192. Now let's find 1% of the number, that is 192 divided by 80. Next step, let's find the 100% of the required number, which will be 192 divided by 80 multiplied by 100. Now, you can cancel the number of zeros from numerator to denominator. Let's cancel this 0 of 80 from the 0 of 100. The remaining quantities will be 192 divided by 8 multiplied by 10. Now 192 is the multiple of 8, which means if you divide this numerator by denominator, the quotient will be 24. Now let's take the product of 24 and 10, which is 240, and this 240 is the required number. Question number 3. An elastic band which is 72 cm long is stretched to 90 cm. Find the percentage increase in its length. Now let's find the percentage increase. First of all, we will find the increase in length after stretching the elastic band. So since we have given length of the band 72 cm, length after stretching we have given 90 cm. So first of all, we will find increase in length after stretching. So this will be calculated for if we subtract length of the band from length of the band after stretching, which is 90 cm minus 72 cm. Their difference is 18 cm. It means that after stretching the band, the increase in length is 18 cm. Now let's convert this 18 cm into percentage. So simple calculation we have, percentage increase in length will be equals to change in length or increase in length divided by original length of the band multiplied by 100%. Now we know that 72 is the multiple of 18, which means that 18 times 1 18, 18 times 4 72 multiplied by 100%. We can cancel this unit centimeter by centimeter, so we have left no unit. Now we know that 100 is the multiple of 4, which means 4 times 25 100. So percentage increase in length of the band will be 25%, which means after stretching this band from 72 centimeter to 90 centimeter, percentage increase in length will be 25%. Question number 5. The price of a desktop computer decreases from $1,360 to $1,020. Find the percentage decrease in its price. Once again, original price of the computer we have given 1,360. Now decrease in price of computer. First of all, we will find the decrease in price of computer, which can be calculated from 1,360 minus decrease price $1,020. Now the difference between these two quantities is $340, which is the decrease in price of the computer, which means the discount on the price of computer is $340. Now let's convert this $340 into percentage. So the percentage decrease in price will be a discount, which is $340, divided by the original price, which is $1,360, multiplied by 100%. Now simple calculation. First of all, let's cancel this 0 from 340 with the 0 of 1,360. So we have left 34 divided by 136 multiplied by 100%. Again, we know that 100 and 136 both are the multiples of 4. If you divide 100 by 4, the quotient will be 25. Same as if you divide 136 by 4, the quotient will be 34. Now 34 cancels 34. Finally, we have left 25%, which is the decrease in the price of computer. Question number 6. A car was bought in 2009 for $120,000. In 2010, its value decreased by 20%. Since we have given decreased, so we will subtract this 20% from 100. In 2011, its value decreased by 10%. Find the value of the car at the end of 2011. So we have given some data, that is the original price of the car we have given $120,000. Now value of the car at the end of 2010, since the value is decreased by 20%, so we will subtract this 20 from 100. So the remaining quantity will be 80%. We want to find the value of car at the end of 2010, so it means that 80% multiplied by the total value of the car, which is $120,000. Now let's remove the percentage sign, then we will divide this 80 by 100 multiplied by $120,000 as it is. Let's cancel these two number of zeros with the number of zeros of $120,000. The remaining quantities will be 80 divided by 1 multiplied by 1200. Again, if we multiply this 80 by 1200, we have the product $96,000, which is the value of car at the end of 2010. Now let's find the value of car at the end of 2011. Now since we know that the value in 2011 decreases 10%, it means that we will subtract this 10% from 100. So the remaining quantity will be 90%. It means that the value of car at the end of 2011 is 90% multiplied by value of the car at the end of 2010, which is $96,000. Again, let's remove the percentage sign. So we have 90 divided by 100 multiplied by $96,000. Again, we can cancel these two zeros with the zeros of 96,000. So the remaining quantities will be 90 divided by 1 multiplied by 960. Let's take the product of 90 and 960. The product will be $86,400, which is the value of car at the end of 2011. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.